All right, today we're going to bring a gun holster in. This is an awesome little holster. It accommodates a lot of different types of guns in here, of course. It has different types of clips for your actual belt, all right? So you could replace it with a small one or the larger one. And you can holster this on your actual belt. And they give you the actual tools in here, if you guys can see, extensions and the longer screws. Of course, 2 stickers are included with it. You guys can see the eagle. There's a green one and there's a white one. Instructions, step by step, how to remove this, how to replace it, how to set it up. And if you guys can see, this is the thickness of it. You can, like I said, we're going to actually extend it a little thicker, if you guys see. And they give you longer screws right now. And the way you do it, let's go ahead and do that. You just automatically just remove them this way. They give you like the Phillips. This is one of the things I like about it. Just removing them and then adding your own longer extension. And then they give you the concealed claw, if you guys can see there. Now, a lot of people have issues carrying concealed weapons. You have to have a license in certain states. This is perfect for law enforcement. This is going to be for mostly like Glock 19, Generation 19, Generation 3, 4, and 5, and also 19X, 44, 45, 23, and 32. So very beautiful leather in the back. This is real leather. I like the smell of leather. And when you're setting this up, it's pretty much you have to put the buffers on the top, if you guys can see that in here. And if you want to extend it for the next generation of guns, this is it right here. You could use a longer one, or we're going to actually put back the short ones. If you guys can see that, Phillips is included. All you got to do is screw it in. And that's pretty much it. Now on both sides, you don't have to worry because it's threaded and it's concealed. This is perfect for those that want to carry our law enforcement, or you're doing this for your job or your security guard, and you have a concealed license. This is perfect for those that are working in the field. Now itself, it has a protected guard in here. Inside, it's more like it's very hard plastic matching with the, and you can see the actual integration of leather in here. Beautiful standing holster, matches black outfits. They don't make them in different colors, just one color. Very concealed. I'm not showing any weapons. I don't want to get monetized or anything else, just to be concerned about why not concealing a weapon. I have one right next to me. I'm not allowed to show any kind of physical weapons or demonstrate. I own the holster. I do not use a holster, not even on the gun range or anything like that. This is a holster. Those that own a store or something that want to carry on, if they have a concealed license, this is a perfect way to do it. So accommodates different sizes. Like I said, stretches out. They give you two different screw size. It has a concealed claw. All right, they changed it out too if you want to change it out, and it does have hex here that you're supposed to change them out. If you guys can see it, different levels. It is too low, too high for every generation. Everything's included that you see here. I hope you guys enjoy the video.